So to create your thumbnail, you go to your Canva app. You go to your Canva app. You go to your Canva app. So this is Canva. You need Canva and you need ChatGPT to create your thumbnail in less than 10 minutes. So you go to your Canva and you search for YouTube thumbnail. Once you search for YouTube thumbnail, it will bring some template for you. It will bring some template for you. So let's wait for it to load. So this is the size for YouTube thumbnail. The size is actually 16 by 9. So the size is actually 16 by 9. What am I typing? Okay. So the size is 16 by 9. Then you come to this place, YouTube thumbnail. Allow it to load. And then you upload. See upload here. You upload. Click on upload file. Then you bring the picture that you want to use, the image that you want to use for your thumbnail. You must have snapped the image that you want to use for your thumbnail. You must have snapped it on your phone. So this is the image I want to use. Let me use this one. So this is the image I want to use. This is the image. So you expand it to fit into the size. You expand it like this so that it will fit into the size of what you want to do. Then you adjust. You click on adjust. You see, this is adjust here. Adjust. So you adjust the, so you can see that the color of this thing has changed. The color of the picture has changed. You can adjust. You can use all this brightness. You can see there is brightness. Is auto adjust is what I use, but you can adjust it manually. See the temperature, see the brightness. You can see the contrast. You can see the highlights. You can see the highlights. So it depends on how you want it. See the saturation. I think is okay like this. So don't over edit it. So you see the sharpness. Just edit it to your taste. Then after editing it, you save it like this. You save the image and the image will be saved to your phone. You save the image. Can you see? You save the image. After you save the image, then you go to ChatGPT. So the image has been saved to your gallery. So the next thing is to go to ChatGPT. I'm using the free version of ChatGPT. I'm not I don't have the pro version. So you go to ChatGPT image. As you can see, you see that we have ChatGPT image here. You can see that we have ChatGPT image. Then you upload your image. Where there is logo for this thing, you upload your image and you describe how you want it. So this image now, I want ChatGPT to turn into a thumbnail for me, and this is what I'm going to write. Create, you give it a prompt or a command, I don't know. Create a high clickable YouTube thumbnail with this inscription. Create a clickable create this clickable thumbnail in 5 minutes. Let's say 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. Then you will now write, please don't change my face. Don't change my face. Make it attractive and attention grabbing. So, and then you send it to ChatGPT. Let me send it and see what we will get. So I've reached your image creation limit. Upgrade to ChatGPT or try again tomorrow after 1:54 p.m. So I already created like two images before I created this one, so that's why I'm getting this thing now. Unless you upgrade, you can create a lot of images. If you upgrade to their pro, to ChatGPT Plus, you can get a lot of images. But if you are using the free version, you have to like be detailed. You can see what we have here. You can see what we have here. See what we have here. This is so attractive. Who will see this kind of thumbnail and will not want to click on the content? So this is how to create your thumbnail. If you learn one or two things from this video, don't forget to like, comment and follow this channel for more tips on how to grow your channel on YouTube. So you can download it. You can see you can download. This is where you can download. Click on this arrow down. Once you click on the arrow down, you'll be able to download. And that is it. Very simple and easy. In less than 5 minutes, we already created this thumbnail. Can you see that it's very simple? I will see you in the next video. Bye. Honestly, people on record. No. Yeah. I'm glad to agree with you. He's not bringing this thing away. Stop it.